Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing my Tfox merch that I purchased, so let's go. Let's see, let's use this. We'll be using this to cut it open. Beast mode. This is really cringy to do with one hand, so y'all yeet. Oh crap, I didn't cut the shirt. Nah, we good. We didn't cut the shirt. And I purchased two things. That's like a cringe failure. So first thing on the list, we have this shirt. This Savagery shirt's friggin' bad A. Yo, this feels kinda comfy in my hand. Hopefully they sent me the right ones. They probably did. Yo, I got this comp grind. Yeah! So here it is. Tfox Squawkzilla 2.0. Bro, I hope I hecka win his FRS if he hasn't announced a winner yet. See it now. Second thing. Oh, it might have cut right there. Actually, I don't know. I'll have to check that out. I don't think I did. Yo, look at this. Force HTG. Well, that's cool. It's friggin' bad A. Yeah. That's cool. So let's get this bad A open. Bleh. Whoa, this is so cool in person, holy crap. That's pretty supreme! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and do whatever all the other YouTubers say, I guess. Just kidding.